Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to, Sunday? Yeah, Sunday. This is gonna be a really short video because I honestly don't have much to talk about. But I do have two things that I do want to talk about, though they're not going to take very long. First off, today was a really short work day. I only had like 5 hours to work. And even though that's like kind of cool that I'm getting really close to 40 hours this week and I don't have to work, I didn't have to work a ton today, um, my back was killing me all day. It was not fun. Um, so I'm going to be taking the next couple days, not off from work, but hopefully pretty easy so that my back will heal or whatever. Hopefully it stops hurting as much as it has been. So that once I go back to work 2 days from now, Wednesday, something like that, 2 days from now, I think, I'll actually be able to do stuff. Because that's important. You need to do stuff at work. Anyway, the second thing is I bought a power strip. It's a really, really big power strip. In fact, I'll flash a picture up now of it. It's 3,400 joules, if you guys know what that means. I don't really know what it means, but I know that it's like supposed to be really good at making sure I don't know the specifics of it, but it's supposed to be like really good at making sure that surges don't get through. If you know what I mean, like making sure the supply of power that's going into and through the power strip is even. So it's supposed to help. It's essentially supposed to help with the whole computer power supply problem I've been having. It was suggested to me by the guy on Tom's Hardware. So I bought a $20 power strip, and it should be here in somewhere approaching a week. Probably not a full week, but somewhere around. I did get a shipping speed upper thing to where once they do ship it out, it'll be like 3 days. So maybe it'll be 4 days, maybe it'll be 5, I don't know. But it should be coming soon. Hopefully before the power supply gets here, just to be safe. But I guess we'll see. So yeah, that's what I had to talk about. Soon, the back of my TV over there will have a new power strip behind it. Right now it has the purple one. I think I talked about this, but right now it has the purple one back there, which I don't know the joule capacity on that. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not the right term, joule capacity. But I guess it works for now. And the interesting part about this power strip, there's 12 outlets. 12. The basic power supply, the one stick, if you know what I mean, usually I think has 6. This has double that. That's going to really help with organizing all the wires back there, and especially with hooking up game consoles and stuff like that. So that's going to be cool. It's going to be real cool. Not to mention, I can also put more power strips onto that power strip and have like terrible electrical monstrosity. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. And I am going to bed because I actually want to get a good amount of sleep today, which I didn't get last night. Time is weird. Time is weird. Anyway. That's gonna be it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Until tomorrow, I'll see you all later.